Hello, my name is Cordell Turner, and my project 2 is over chapter 2, Cognitive Development by John Piaget. What is cognitive development? Cognitive development refers to the way children think, explore, and figure things out. It is the development of knowledge, skills, problem solving, and dispositions which help children think and understand the world around them. Throughout history of the cognitive development, John Piaget proposed that humans progress through four developmental stages. Those four stages of cognitive development are the sensory stage, the pre-operational stage, the concrete operational stage, and the formal operational stage. The first stage, the sensory stage. During this stage, infants progressively construct knowledge and understanding of the world by coordinating experiences such as speech and vision from physical interactions with objects. Infants gain knowledge of the world from their physical interactions they have within it. So that just goes along with such as talking to a baby, reading to a baby, reading to an infant. Actually, read to them in the way that you actually talk to them instead of what we call baby talk. The second stage is the pre-operational stage. During the pre-operational stage, between ages 2 and 7, children do not understand concrete logic and cannot manipulate information. Children's increase of playing and pretend is most active during this stage. The child is able to understand stable concepts as well as magical ideas. This is the stage where Piaget believes that children want to know and understand everything around them, but just they haven't gotten to their mental capacity of where they're able to understand what's going on. The third stage will be the concrete operational stage. During the concrete operational stage, which typically occurs between the ages of 7 and 11, when most children are able to use that is characterized as the appropriate use of logic. During this phase, the child's logic becomes more mature and adult-like. They will start solving problems with a more logical approach. However, abstract thinking has not developed just yet. Two other important processes during this stage are logic and the elimination of egocentrism. Egocentrism is the inability to consider or understand a perspective other than your own. The last and final stage is the formal operational stage. The final stage of Piaget's four-stage theory is the formal operational stage, which would occur during adolescence, is defined as the point of which the child can then form abstract thoughts by manipulating the thoughts in their head. This doesn't require any dependence on concrete manipulation. This stage begins at 12 years of age and continues through adolescence. Understanding cognitive development in the classroom. Cognitive development is crucial in a classroom setting because in order for the teacher to have the right approach based on students' needs, he must understand what stage of cognitive development they are in. And for me, PE wise, with the younger children, it is very important because understanding how the kids will react or being able to teach to the kids of how they would understand and get it. And so, like I said, so now you have to understand what stage your students are in and what level they are on. And so, like I said, as younger children could not follow the lesson plan made from the adolescent child because their brain simply couldn't reach that point of understanding. Teachers may also understand that certain stages are require certain amounts of attention and that lines up with their cognitive development.